What if your home could take you anywhere, across mountains, deserts, or along endless coastlines, without sacrificing comfort or style? Welcome to the world of the most functional and luxurious motorhomes ever created. These aren't just RVs. They're rolling masterpieces that blend cutting-edge technology with five-star living. From expandable interiors and smart automation to off-grid power systems and designer finishes, every detail is built to deliver freedom without compromise. Whether it's a high-performance luxury beast or a futuristic electric camper, these motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in comfort. Get ready to explore machines that turn every journey into an experience. BRABUS Big Boy 1200. The BRABUS Big Boy 1200 is not just a motorhome. It feels more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Built on a massive 12-meter platform, it offers over 30 square meters of living space with expandable slide-outs that create a surprisingly spacious interior. Under the hood, a 12.8-liter turbo diesel engine delivers around 530 horsepower, ensuring smooth, long-distance travel. Inside, you'll find premium leather seating, a fully equipped kitchen, smart entertainment with Starlink connectivity, and even a spa-style bathroom. It perfectly blends power, technology, and high-end comfort into one extraordinary travel experience. Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome is a futuristic concept that reimagines electric trucking as a luxury living space on wheels. Built on the powerful Tesla Semi platform, it features a fully electric powertrain with 3 motors, delivering impressive torque and a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. While not officially produced as a motorhome, concept designs showcase spacious interiors with bedrooms, a kitchen, and smart tech integration. With fast charging, zero emissions, and advanced safety systems, it represents a bold vision of sustainable, high-tech travel combined with modern comfort. Maverick Vinales MV12. The Maverick Vinales MV12 motorhome is a stunning example of luxury and innovation, designed to feel more like a modern 2-story apartment than a traditional RV. Built on a massive trailer platform, it expands into a spacious double-decker layout using hydraulic systems, creating over 35 square meters of living space. Inside, it features a master bedroom, stylish lounge, workspace, and fully equipped bathroom, all finished with premium materials. With custom-built design and smart space transformation, the MV12 perfectly blends comfort, functionality, and elite motorsport lifestyle into one extraordinary mobile home. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a true game-changer in the world of luxury motorhomes, built for those who want complete freedom without sacrificing comfort. Stretching 30 feet long, it delivers a spacious, apartment-like interior with a dedicated bedroom, modern kitchen, and premium bathroom setup. What really sets it apart is its powerful off-grid system, offering up to 75 kilowatt-hours battery capacity and massive solar input for weeks of autonomous living. With features like EV charging, smart energy management, and a fold-out patio deck, the HD30 feels less like a camper and more like a fully self-sustaining luxury home on wheels. Dembell Motorhome. The Dembell Motorhome is the definition of a land yacht, blending supercar engineering with 5-star living. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, it packs a Moshny 530 horsepower engine and a 3-axle setup for smooth, confident travel. Inside, it offers around 30 square meters of elegant space with slide-outs, featuring a lounge, full kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. With a 1,000-liter water tank, advanced energy systems, underfloor heating, and yacht-inspired interiors, it delivers unmatched comfort, making every journey feel like a luxury retreat on wheels. ioCamper Truck 2. The ioCamper Truck 2 is a clever, minimalist take on a motorhome, designed for adventure seekers who want flexibility without the bulk of a full-size RV. Instead of being a standalone vehicle, It's a lightweight camper module that fits into a pickup truck bed and transforms into a compact living space in minutes. Weighing around 350 kilograms, it features a double bed, foldable table, storage compartments, and a portable power system. Built with durable, weatherproof materials, it's perfect for short off-grid trips, offering simplicity, mobility, and smart functionality in one compact design. Vario Signature 1200. The Vario Signature 1200 is a jaw-dropping luxury motorhome that feels more like a high-end penthouse on wheels. Built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros 26-ton 3-axle chassis, it stretches around 12 meters and boasts up to 523 horsepower, air suspension, 360-degree camera, and advanced safety systems for effortless highway cruising. What truly sets it apart is the XXL rear garage, capable of carrying a Porsche or similar sports car, plus multiple slide-outs that expand living space. Inside, handcrafted leather, a fully equipped kitchen, generous sleeping for 4 to 6, and customizable layouts blend comfort, design, and practicality into a bespoke travel experience. Morelo Grand Empire 26T. The Morelo Grand Empire 26T is a stunning example of true luxury on wheels, built on a robust Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis with up to 530 horsepower and a gross vehicle weight of 26 tons, giving it confidence and presence on the road. Its interior blends fine materials with thoughtful design, including a spacious living area, premium kitchen with full appliances, and an ensuite bathroom that feels like a spa. The optional slide-out expands the living space, while the rear garage can carry a compact car or gear. With underfloor heating, air suspension, real glass windows, and abundant storage, it's a motorhome that feels like a high-end home, tailored for long, luxurious journeys. Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a beautifully balanced luxury motorhome that delivers comfort, practicality, and stylish design in every corner. Built on a Fiat Ducato base with efficient 2.2-litre Euro 60 engines and available automatic gearbox, it offers smooth touring and solid performance. Inside, the interior feels airy and modern with panoramic windows, ambient LED lighting, premium seating, and clever storage throughout. You'll find a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas for up to 4, and thoughtful insulation and climate control systems for year-round travel. Designed for both extended journeys and everyday use, the Sonic Supreme blends function with home-like luxury. 2024 Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Greyhawk XL is a standout Superclass C motorhome that feels like a perfect blend of rugged capability and real-world comfort. Built on a Ford F5 504x4 chassis, with a 6.7-litre Power Stroke 5, 8-turbo diesel producing around 330 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque, it's ready for long journeys and varied terrain. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area, well-equipped kitchen, king-size bed, and high-end safety features like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. With thoughtful insulation, LED lighting, and modern tech throughout, it's a capable, comfortable home on wheels for adventurous travelers. STX Pop-Outs. The STX Pop-Outs is a standout luxury motorhome built for travelers who want space, comfort, and premium features all in one commanding package. Built on heavy-duty chassis like Mercedes Actros or Scania V8, with around 510 horsepower and weighing approximately 26 tons. It uses 3 expansive pop-outs to open up the living, bedroom, and lounge areas into a surprisingly generous interior. Inside, you'll find a leather lounge, a fully equipped kitchen with Whirlpool appliances, a spa-style bathroom, and a cozy master bedroom with smart tech. Technical highlights include a powerful Fisher Panda generator, Cabola heating, large water tanks, and Victron energy systems for off-grid comfort. With its blend of luxury finishes and thoughtful design, the STX Pop-Outs turns long road journeys into home-like experiences. Cybertruck Space Campers. The Cybertruck space campers concept turns Tesla's futuristic pickup into a rugged yet functional camper setup that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts craving adventure. Rather than a traditional motorhome, this wedge-style unit mounts in the Cybertruck's bed and unfolds using air-powered actuators to create standing room, a Murphy-style double bed, and modular interior space in minutes. Its design keeps drag low while offering LED lighting, an awning, and room for optional kitchen, shower, and camping accessories that run off the Cybertruck's battery. Sleek and versatile, it blends electric vehicle tech with minimalist overlanding comfort for life on the road. STX Horsebox Volvo. The STX Horsebox Volvo is a truly unique mix of luxury motorhome comfort and premium horse transport functionality, built on a robust Volvo FH540 chassis, weighing around 26 tons with powerful performance and reliability. Inside, the living area feels surprisingly refined for a horse box, with upholstered leather seating, satellite TV, flat-screen entertainment, full air conditioning, a microwave, and a ceramic cooktop. All the comforts you'd expect on the road. It also includes a practical bathroom with shower and toilet, a split heating system, and a reliable water supply system. The horse area itself boasts rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, surveillance cameras, and adjustable partitions, ensuring safety and comfort for up to 6 horses. Elegant yet rugged, it's perfect for equestrians who want both functional transport and a cozy living space. Pebble Flow. The Pebble Flow isn't a traditional motorhome. It's a futuristic all-electric travel trailer that feels like a miniature smart home on wheels. Built with a 45 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery and optional integrated solar, it can power lights, HVAC, appliances, and even export up to 12 kilowatts of power, keeping you off-grid for days. Its aerodynamic design, dual motor propulsion assist, and app-controlled features like Magic Hitch and Instacamp make towing and setup effortless. Inside, you'll find a modern kitchen, Queen Murphy bed with convertible living space, and spa-inspired bathroom, blending minimalist design with high-tech convenience for a truly next-generation RV experience. Hitch Hotel. The Hitch Hotel isn't your typical motorhome. It's a brilliantly compact expandable travel trailer that turns nearly any vehicle into a weekend getaway home. When collapsed, it's tiny enough to fit in under 3.5 feet of storage and weighs under 1,000 pounds, meaning even smaller cars can tow it easily. With a few simple steps, the fiberglass shell expands into a cozy living space long enough to sleep 2 adults, complete with windows, ventilation, USB charging, and LED lights. There's no plumbing or cooking on board, but its efficient use of space and rugged simplicity make it perfect for minimalist adventurers who want a comfy shelter without the bulk of a full-size RV.